story songs. Okay. See the first example. First example, 1 meter cloth cost is rupees 799. How much would 26 meter cloth cost? What is the question? Shall I read one more? One more time. See, 1 meter cloth cost is rupees 799. And how much would 26 meter cloth cost? So here, do you understand anything? So what we are going to do? Actually, the question is 1 meter cloth is how much rupees? 799. Then we want to calculate how much meter cloth? 26 meters. So here we are going to use which operation? Addition, subtraction and multiplication and division. 4 operations you will learn, isn't it? So here we are going to use which operation? Yes, multiplication, isn't it? So means actually 1 meter cloth cost is given. We want to calculate how much meter? 26 meter. So what we want to do? We are going to multiply, isn't it? Yes. So cost of, first you have to write the way solution. Cost of 1 meter cloth equal to how much rupees? 1 meter cloth is 799, isn't it? 799. Then we want to calculate cost of 26 meter cloth equal to 799 into how much? 26, right? So you know how to multiply, isn't it? Yes, multiply 799 into 26. Multiply. So which table we are going to use first? 6th table, isn't it? Yes, 6 times 9 are how much? 54, isn't it? Yes, 4 is here, then carry on 5, then again 6 times 9 are 54, isn't it? 54 plus 5 how much? 59. Yes, 59, 5 carry on, then again 6 times 7 are how much? 6 times 7 are 42, isn't it? 42 plus 5 how much? 47. Yes, next we are going to use which table? Second table, isn't it? Yes, second table, 2 times 9 are 18. So 8, 1 carry on. Then 2 times again 9 are 18 plus 1, 19. That means 9, 1 is here. Then again 2 times 7 are how much? 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Next step, you have to add these two product, right? So add 4, then 8 plus 9 how much? 17. Then 1 here. Then 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 9 how much? Again 17, isn't it? 7, 1 is here. Then 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 5 how much? 10, isn't it? 10, 0 here. Balance 1 carry on. Then 1 plus 1 how much? 2. So what is the answer now? 20,774, isn't it? Yes. So now the 26 meter cloth cost is how much? Rupees 20,774, right? Do you understand now? Yes. Now the second example, example 2. A bed sheet cost rupees 675. How much would 24 bed sheets cost? How to calculate here? Here also we are going to use multiplication symbol, right? So the operation, multiplication operations. So here first step solution. What is the solution here? Here that a bed sheet cost rupees how much? One bed sheet cost is how much rupees? 675, isn't it? Yes. A bed sheet cost of a bed sheet equal to rupees how much? 675, isn't it? Yes. Next, how many bed sheets we want to calculate? 24. So cost of 24 bed sheets. 24 bed sheet, how we can calculate? 675 multiply 24, right? 675 multiply 24, right? Yes. Multiply these two values. 675 multiply 24, right? Yes. 5 times 4. First we are going to use which table? Fifth table or fourth table, right? Yes. Fourth table. 4 times 5 is how much? 20. Then 2 carry on. Then 4 times 7 is how much? 28, isn't it? Yes. 28 plus 2, 30. That means 0, 3 is here. Then 4 6 are 24, isn't it? 24 plus 3, 27. So 27. Next we are going to use which table? Second table, isn't it? Yes. Second table. 2 times 5 is how much? 10. 10. 1 will be here. Then second table again. How many times we have to say? 7 times. 2 7s are 14. Then 14 plus 1. 14 plus 1, 15. That means 1. Carry on here. 2 times 6 are 12, isn't it? 12 plus 1, 13. Yes. Now we are going to add these two products, right? Yes. Plus 0. Then 0 plus 0, 0. 6 plus 5, how much? 7 plus 5, how much? 12, isn't it? Yes. 12, 2, 1, 2, 1. Then 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. Then 1. So 24 bed sheet cost is how much? 16,200, right? The 24 bed sheet cost is how much? 16,000 rupees. 16,200. Understand? See the third example. Example 3. The 500 chocolates cost rupees 15,000. If each chocolate costs the same amount, each chocolate cost is the same amount. Find the cost of one chocolate. Find the cost of one chocolate. So here we are going to use which operation? Do you know multiplication or division? Yes, we are going to use division, isn't it? Yes. So we want to find the cost of one chocolate. So we are going to divide this value, isn't it? First we are going to write the solution. Solution first. What is the first step? Solution. The first step. First we want to write number of chocolates. Okay. Number of chocolates how much? Number of chocolates how much? 500 chocolates, right? So number of chocolates 500. Then next, total cost of chocolate. Total cost of chocolate how much? Total cost of how much rupees? Total cost of chocolate rupees is 15,000, isn't it? Yes, 15,000. 15,000. So what do you want to find? Find the cost of one chocolate, right? Yes, cost of one chocolate. Cost of one chocolate. How to find? You have to total cost of chocolate divided by number of chocolates, right? Yes. Total cost of chocolate is how much rupees? 15,000. So 15,000 divided by number of chocolates how much? 500. Then we will know each one chocolate cost, right? So if you divide, we can find each one chocolate how much. Okay. Yes. So divide that value. 15,000 divided by 500. Yes, here 3-digit number. Here also now you can take the first 3-digit. See, compare these two numbers here. Which is the greatest value? This is divisor is the greatest value, isn't it? So 500 is there, 150. So we can take 1500. 1500 means yes, we can. This is the biggest value, isn't it? So 500 less than 1500. So the 500 is the greater value, isn't it? Now we can divide. So 500, how many times we can use? 1 time 500, 2 times it will be 1000, isn't it? Then 3 times 1500 will come, right? So how many times? 3 times. 3 times 1500. Yes. Now subtract 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. Then the last 0, here no number. So we can write it here the last instead of 0. Right? So each chocolate cost is how much rupees? 30 rupees. So the answer rupees how much? 30. Cost of one chocolate. So here cost of one chocolate. So cost of one chocolate is how much rupees? 30 rupees. Right? Do you understand now how to divide, how to use the stories on the division? Right? See the next example. The cost of a toy is rupees 65. One toy cost is how much rupees? 65 rupees. A company realized 15,050 by selling toys in 2 months. In 2 months they are realized how much amount? 15,015. So how many toys were sold? The question is how many toys were sold? So here we are going to use which operation? Here also we are going to use division, right? Yes. So first solution. First we are going to write the solution. Cost of one toy. Here cost of one toy is how much rupees? Rupees 65. Isn't it? 65. Then amount realized after selling the toys. How much amount they realized? How much? 15,015, right? 15,015. So what we want to find? We want to find how many toys were sold. That means number of toys sold, right? Number of toys sold. How much? 15,015 divided by one toy cost is how much rupees? 65. Then we divide that value. Then we will know how many toys were 2 months. Sorry, sold in 2 months, right? Okay, divide 15,015. So divided by the divisor is 65. 65. So here if you are taking the 2-digit 15, so which is the greatest value? So here the divisor is greatest. So we want to take 3-digit, right? Here 150. 150 means how many times it will become 65? See here 65. 1 time 65. Then 65 2 times how much it will become? 130. Then 65 3 times how much it will become? 195. So check here 65 here 150 means how many times we can take it? 2 times, isn't it? 2. So 2 times 65 130. Yes. What is the next system now? Subtract. Subtract the value 0 minus 0, 0. Then 5 minus 3, 2. 1 minus 1, 0. Yes. Next, which number we want to write down? 1. That means 201. Isn't it? Yes. 201 means how many times 65 will come? So 3 times, right? 3 times 65, 195. 195. Now we subtract. 1 minus 5, no, we cannot subtract, isn't it? So borrow from tens place, but tens place 0. So borrow from 100 place. Here 1, but here 10 will come. Then again we are going to borrow from here. It will come here 11, but here 9. Yes. 11 minus 5. 11 minus 5 how much? 6, isn't it? Yes. Then 9 minus 9, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Yes. Next, which number you want to write? Yes, 5 is balanced, right? 5. 5. So, 65. So, 65 how many times? Only 1 time. So, 1 time. Now, you subtract 0, right? Quotient is 231. So, number of toys sold in 2 months, how much? How many toys? 231 toys. 231 toys. Do you understand now? Yes. Okay children, now you know how to do story songs, isn't it? Yes. Now what you are going to do, your homework is exercise 3.4, page number 42. Only 4 questions are there. Then please try to complete this. Let's practice also page number 43, right? Yes. If you have any doubt, please contact me children. Thank you. Bye.